Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today is 28th November 2021. Right now, I am with the 10 Cambridge class, and the subject we are studying is D Maths 4024. We are working on the syllabus, and we are working on the book D3. This is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. Today we have decided to solve exercise 8b. In this exercise, we will learn to find out the area of the triangles and the special case in which we have the two sides of the triangle and the included angle between them. If you know the two sides and the included angle between those two sides, you can find out the area of the triangle. The formula is very simple. 1 by 2 into A into B into sine of theta, where A and B are the two sides and the theta is the angle between those two sides. So it's a very simple concept. So let's start. So the question number one is coming up on your screen, and I'm reading it from the book. He says, find the area of the each of the following figures. This figure is given in the question. That's question number one, and it's A part. The two sides are given 9 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and the angle between them is 72 degree. And we have to find out the area of this triangle. So the area of the triangle, you know, the formula is 1 by 2 into C into B into sine of A. C means 8 centimeter, B means 9 centimeter, and the sine A angle is 72 degree. Just put these values in your calculator. You will enter 1 divided 2 multiply 8 multiply 9 multiply sine 72 equals to, and that will be 34.23 centimeters square. So this is how you will find the area of this triangle. So let's move to the next question. We have to find the area of the following figure. This diagram is given. One side is 7 centimeter, the other side is 9 centimeter, and the angle between these two sides is 111 degree. So we have to find out the area of this triangle. You know, if you know the two sides and the included angle between them in a triangle, you can find the area of that triangle. So the area of the triangle DEF will be equals to 1 divided by 2 D into F into sine of E. Just put these values in your calculator. You will enter 1 divided 2 multiply 9 multiply 7 multiply sine 111 equals to, and that will be 29.41 centimeters square. Hopefully you understand how this is done. Okay, so question number one and C part here, you can see the diagram is given, a triangle is given, and the G angle is 62, the I angle is 57, the side, one side is GH side is 9.5 meter, and the HI side is 10 meters. So we have to find out the area of this triangle, but first of all, I need to find out what's the area, what's the angle between these two sides. So I can find, you know, I know the two angles of this triangle, so I can find the third angle very easily, because the sum of the angles in the triangle is 180. So from 180 I will subtract 62 and 57, so I will get the angle H. So the angle H is 61 degree. Then I will apply the formula of the area of the triangle GHI, and that will be 1 divided by 2 into G into I into sine H. So substitute the values. 1 divided by 2 multiply 10 multiply 9.5 multiply sine 61 equals to, and your answer will be 41.54 meters square. So this is how you do question number 1C part. Okay, so now we have question number 1D part. This diagram is given. The one side is 13.35 meter, the other side is 6.5 meter. One angle is 105, the other one is 28, and we need to first of all find out the angle K, which will be the angle between the two sides which are given. So from 180 subtract 105 and 28, you will get 47. So the angle K is 47 degree. Then I can apply the formula for the area of the triangle LJK. The formula will be 1 by 2 into L into J into sine K. So substitute the values in your calculator. You will enter 1 divided by 2 into 6.5 into 13.35 into sine 47 equals to, and that will be 32.1 meter square. So on your screen, question number 1, and this E part here, a parallelogram is given, and the adjacent sides, their lengths are given. The PM side is 5.3 centimeter, MN side is 5.8 centimeter, and the angle between these two sides is 117. So their question is find out the area of this parallelogram. You see, I have drawn that red line there. So that red line will divide this parallelogram into two equal triangles. And if I find the area of this triangle, whose name is PMN, and then you double it, that will be the area of the parallelogram. So if you look at the triangle PMN, I know the two sides and the included angle between them. So if I will find the area of this triangle and then double it, that will be the area of the parallelogram. So 2 bracket area of the triangle PMN. So 2 multiply 1 by 2 into 5.3 into 5.8 into sine of 117 equals to, and that will be 27.4 centimeters square. Hopefully you understand. So now here we have a rhombus, and in this rhombus, you know, all the sides, they are equal to each other. So they say TSRQ, that's a rhombus, and each side is of 8.5 meter. Here one of the angles is also given, one of the internal angles, that's 78 degree. So it means that this side will be also 8.5 and this side will be also 8.5. This side will be also 8.5. So I draw this red line here, so that will divide this rhombus into two equal triangles. So I will find out the area of the triangle TQR, and then I will double it, and that will be the area of this rhombus. So the area of the QRST will be 2 times the area of the triangle QTR. So 2 square bracket 1 divided by 2 into 8.5 into 8.5 into sine 78 equals to, and that will be 70.7 meters square. So this is how you do the question number 1, F part. Now we are moving to the next question, and I'm reading it from the book. It's a story sum. It says in the area of the triangle ABC, given that the AB is equals to 22 centimeter and AC is 15 centimeter and BAC is 45 degree. The question is find the area of the triangle ABC. So the area of the triangle ABC will be 1 by 2 into AB into AC into sine of BAC, the two sides and the included angle between them. Just substitute the values, and that will be 1 by 2 into 22 into 15 into sine 45 equals to, and that will give you 116.7 centimeters square, which is approximately 117 centimeters square. So let's move to the next question. I'm reading the question from the book. It says, in the triangle PQR, the angle P is 72 degree. The Q is equals to 152 centimeter and R is 125 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle PQR. So up here you can see, for your understanding, I've drawn the triangle PQR. So this side will be Q, small q, this will be small r. This is 152, this is 125, the angle P is 72 degree. So if you want to find out the area of this triangle, you have to write down the formula, 1 divided by 2 into Q into R into sine of P. So it will be 1 divided by 2 into 152 into 125 into sine 72 equals to, and that will be 9035.04, which you round it off, then it will be 9040 centimeters square. So now you have that question number 4 in the triangle. This diagram is given in the question. ABC triangle is given as a diagram in the question. He says in the triangle ABC, the AB side is 32 centimeter, the BC side is 43 centimeter, and the angle ABC 67 degrees. Find the area of the triangle ABC. You know, we know the two sides and the angle included in them. We can find out the area of this triangle. area of the triangle ABC will be equals to 1 divided by 2 into H into 43 into 32. So sorry, 1 by 2 into 32 into 43 into sine 67, and that will be 633.3 centimeters square. So you see, I found the area of this triangle. Then the second part of the question, he says, hence, find the perpendicular distance from the A to the BC. The perpendicular distance from the A to the BC will be a line coming from A, making 90 degree angle with the BC side. Because I already know this area of this triangle, suppose that the BC is your base and this is your height of the triangle, then the area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into 43 into height, and I already know the area of this triangle is 633.3. So I will make this H the subject. So this 2 will go on the other side, it will multiply. This 43 will, which is multiplying here, when it will go on the other side, it will divide there. So you will have 633 multiplied 2 divided 43 equals to, and that will be 29.4 centimeter. So that will be the perpendicular from A onto BC. Hopefully you understand. So we have the next question, and the figure shows the plan of the two neighboring states in the form of two triangles. So that diagram is given in the question. His question is calculate the area of the two states. Okay, so here is one state, and that's 112 meter long. This side is 202 meter long. The angle between them is 30 degree. This side is 202 meter, this side is 197 meter, and the angle between them is 60.5. So area of this, let me call it A1, and the area of this will be A2. So I can find the A1, that will be 1 by 2 into 112 into 202 into sine 30 equals to, and that will be 565 meters square. Then I can find the area of this triangle, and that will be 1 divided by 2 into 202 into 197 into sine 60.5 equals to, and that will be 17317.46. Then I can find the area, the total area of this plot. That will be A1 plus A2, so 5656 plus 17317.46, and that will be 22973.46, which is approximately, when you round it off, will be 23,000 meters square. So that is question number 5. Hopefully you understand. Okay. Then we have the question number 6 on your screen. And let me read it from the book. It says, calculate the, in the figure, the angle ADC is equals to the angle ACB, and that is equals to 90 degree. Angle EAD is 55.1 degree. The angle CAB is 40.4 degree. AE is a 4.1 centimeter. AD is 3.7 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter. Their first question is find the ACD angle. So they want you to find out this angle ACD. This is that angle ACD. It's a right angle triangle. If I take this angle, which is unknown, then this will be my perpendicular opposite to this, and this will be my hypotenuse. So I can apply the sine, the simple sine. Sine ACD is 3.7, perpendicular by hypotenuse, 3.7 divided by 8. So I take this sine to the other side, it will become sine inverse. ACD is equal to sine inverse bracket 3.7 divided 8.0 bracket close equals to, and that will give you 27.56. Okay. So how you get this? You write shift sine bracket 3.7 divided 8.0 bracket close equals to. The second part of this question, they say find the length of the AB. They want you to find out the length of the AB. I want to find out this length. I know this. This is 90, so this is hypotenuse. I want to find out this length. I know this angle, that's 40.4 degree. So this is your base, and this is your hypotenuse, and this angle is given. So I can apply cos. So cos of 40.4 will be equal to base by hypotenuse, and that will be 8 divided by AB. So AB will be 8 divided by cos 40.4, and in your calculator you will write 8 divided by cos 40.4 equals to, and that will be 10.5 centimeter. So now we know beside the length AB. The third part is find the area of the triangle AED. He wants you to find out the area of this triangle. It's a very simple question. You know, the two sides of this triangle are known. This one is 4.1, this one is 3.7, and the angle between them is known, 55.1 degrees. So very easily I can find out the area of this triangle. Area of the triangle AD will be area of the triangle AD equals to 1 divided by 2 into 4.1 into 3.7 into sine 55.1 equals to, and that will give you 6.22 centimeters square. So these are the three parts of the question number 6. Let's move to the next question. The next question is question number 7. He says, in the triangle ABC, AB is equals to 5x and AC is 4x centimeter, and the angle BAC is 68 degree. So that diagram is also given there. He says, given that the area of the triangle ABC is 97 centimeters square, find the value of the x. Okay, so I already know the area of this triangle. That's 97 centimeters square, and we want to find out the value of the x. So I apply the formula of the area. That will be 1 by 2 into 5x into 4x into the sine 68 equals to 97. So it will become x square, 5 4s are 20, and that 20 will go on the other side, it will divide, and this 2 will go on the other side, it will multiply, and that sine 68 will go downstairs. So in your calculator, you will write, so x square is equals to, in your calculator, you will write 97 multiplied 2 divided 20 divided sine 68 equals to. So x square will be equals to 10.46. Then square root answer equal, and that will be 10.46 under root, and that will be 3.23. 3.23. So this is how you will find the value of the x. So that was question number 7. Okay, so on your screen, the question number 8 is showing up, and let me read it from the book. It says, in the figure, the AB is 20 centimeter. The BAC angle is 90 degree. Angle ACB is 30 degree, and the AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. The first question is, find the BAD angle. So they want you to find out this angle, BAD. They want you to find out this angle. Okay. So consider the big triangle ABD. So no, I want to find out this angle, but I only know this angle, that because this angle is 90, so this angle will be also 90. It's a straight line. So if this is 90, this angle will be also 90. First of all, consider this big triangle. I know this angle is 30, this angle is 90. So this angle will be, angle ABD will be 180 minus 30 minus 90, and that will give you 60. Once you know the angle ABD, then I can come into this triangle, ABD triangle. I know this is 90, this is 60, so I can find this third angle, BAD. And the BAD will be equals to 180 minus 90 minus 60, and that will be 30. So the angle BAD is 30 degree. Okay. Then the question is find the BD side, BD side. Now, if you look at this triangle carefully, I know this hypotenuse, and if I use this angle or I use this angle, I can use, well, that's up to me. For example, if I use this 60 angle, BD is then base, as I want to find out that, and cos of 60 will be base by hypotenuse, and BC is base is BD, and the hypotenuse is 20. So you will have cos 60 equals to BD divided by 20 base by hypotenuse. So BD will be equals to 20 multiply cos 60. In your calculator, you will write 20 multiply cos 60 equals to, and that will be 10 centimeter. So this BD thing is 10 centimeter. Then the third part is they want you to find out the area of the triangle ABC. They want you to find out the area of this big triangle ABC. So first of all, apply sine 30 equals to, I'm using this sine 30. So this will be your perpendicular and that will be your hypotenuse BC. So sine 30 will be equals to 20 divided by BC, which means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So the BC will be equals to 20 divided by sine 30 equals to, and that will be 40. So I know the BC side. If I know the BC side is 40, I know this whole side. If I know this whole side BC, that's 40, and I know this side, that's 20, and I know the angle between them, I can find the area of this triangle. So the area of the triangle ABC will be 1 divided by 2 into 20 into 40 into sine 60. And the answer I will get will be 346.4 centimeters square. A little tricky question. That was question number 8. The diagonals I'm reading from the book, the statement of the question is a story sum. He says the diagonals of a parallelogram have lengths 15.6 centimeter and 17.2 centimeter. They intersect at an angle of 120 degree. Find the area of the parallelogram. So here you can see that I have that parallelogram, and these are the diagonals. They bisect each other. So this will be 7.8, 7.8, this will be 8.6, 8.6. And the angle between them is 120 degrees. So if the angle here is 120, the angle here will be 60 because it's a straight line. So area of the parallelogram will be, I have divided this triangle into 4 parts, this parallelogram into 4 parts. These 2 parts, they are the area 1. These 2 parts are the area 2. So the area of the parallelogram will be 2 times area 1 plus 2 times area 2. So I can find the area 1 very easily, 8.6 into 7.8 into sine of 120 divided by 2. And the same way I can find the area here, that will be 1 by 2 into 8.6 into 7.8 into sine 60. So find the area 1 and area 2 and double them. Okay. So 2 times this, 2 and 2 will be gone, 2 and 2 will be gone here. So because there are 2 A1 and there are 2 A2 for this whole of the figure. So just put these values in your calculator and your final answer will be 116.19. 116.19 centimeters square. So that was question number 9. So let's move to the next question. The next question is question number 10. And let me read it from the book. I'm reading from the D3, New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. Exercise 8B, question number, I think 10. This diagram is also given in the question. He says, in the triangle PQR, the angle PRQ is 55 degree. 3 times QR is equals to 4 PR, and the area of the triangle PQR is 158 centimeters square. Their question is find the length of the QR. That's their main question. Okay. So suppose that this statement is given. Suppose that the PR is X, then the QR will be 4 by 3X. I'm just supposed it, okay? So that the task is easier. So the area of this triangle will be 1 by 2 into this side into sine of 55. And you see 1 divided by 2 into X into 4 by 3X, 4X by 3, you can say, into sine 55 is equals to 158. So here you will have x square. When 1 by 2 will multiply with the 4 by 3, it will become 2 by 3 x square. So I will rearrange. I will try to make the x square alone. So you will have that 3 will go upstairs. It will multiply, and that 2 will come downstairs and it will divide. So you will have x square will be equals to 3 multiply 158 divided 2 divided sine 55 equals to. So you will get x square is equals to 289.7. So take the square root on both the sides. So you will have x equals to 17. Now the question is, the main question is, what is the length of the QR? So once you know the value of the x, the QR is 4 by 3x. So just put that value of x there. So you will have 4 divided by 3 into 17. So your answer will be 22.7, which is perfect answer. So this is how you do question number 10. Okay, so we are moving to the next question. And I'm reading from the book. The question, it says, given that the area of a rhombus is 40 centimeters square and that each side has a length of 15 centimeter, find the angles of the rhombus. Okay, so here you have a rhombus. Rhombus, all the 4 sides are of equal length. It's 2 diagonals. One diagonal is longer as compared to the other. So I want to find out the angle between these 2 sides. Okay, so 15, 15. I don't know this angle, but I know the area of this rhombus. Area of this rhombus is 2. So if you know the area of this triangle, you double it, then you will have the area of this rhombus. So you can see that, sorry, I have supposed that this angle is theta. So area of the rhombus will be 2 multiply the area of this triangle. If this triangle is double, you get the area of this area of the rhombus. So I already know that the area of the rhombus is 40, and that will be equal to 2 times the area of this triangle. That will be 1 by 2 into 15 into sine theta. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So 15, 15 are 2 to 5. Okay, so I will take all this thing to the other side of the equality. So you will have sine theta equals to 40 divided by 2 to 5. So I will make theta alone. So the sine will go to the other side. So you will have theta equals to sine inverse of 0.177, and that will give you theta equals to 10.24. So this angle here is 10.24 degree. This will be also 10.24 degree. But the angles here, they will be different. Okay. So because this is a rhombus, so you know this is and this is the parallel side. So if I know this angle, I can find this angle by just subtracting from 180. So I know the value of the theta, that is 10.24 degrees. But I can find I will find the value of that phi, this, because these 2 sides, they are parallel. So this angle and this angle, they will be allied to each other. So their sum will be 180. They are supplementary. So from 180, I will subtract the new angle found, that is 10.24, and that will give you the so the phi value will be 169.76 degrees. So that is how you do question number 11. Okay. So now we have the question number 10, and I will try to read that question from the book. It says, in the quadrilateral ABCD, AB is equals to 3.2 centimeter, BC is 5.1 centimeter. The CBD angle, that is 34.4 degrees, and the length of the diagonal BD is 7.5 centimeter. Given further that the area of the triangle ABD is 11.62 centimeter square and the angle ABD is obtuse, find the area of the BCD. Okay, so here I have drawn a rough sketch. I already know the area of this parallelogram. I have drawn a rough sketch just for understanding. Okay, so you have A, B, C, and D. That's the I think the quadrilateral they have drawn. And their first question is find the area of the BCD. BCD is this BCD. So the angle between the two given sides, 55.1 and the 7.5, the angle between them is 34.4 degrees. So I can find the area of this BCD triangle. And that's very easy, you know. One area of this triangle, the area of the BCD will be 1 divided by 2 into 5.1 into 7.5 into sine 34.4, and that will be 10.8. So, you know, then the next question they want you to find out is the angle ABD. They want you to find out this angle ABD. So I know the area of the ABD, the area of the triangle is already known, that is 1.62. So I want to know, I know the area of this triangle. I know the two sides, and I know that 7.5, that's 3.2. So the angle will be between these two sides. So I can. So area of the triangle ABD will be 1.62. That is already given to us, and I know the area. That will be 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 3.2 into sine ABD. And area of triangle we already know is 1.62. So just put these values here. So sine ABD, I will make it alone. The rest of the things will go on the other side. This 2 will go upstairs. These two numbers will go downstairs. So in your calculator, you will write 1.62 multiplied 2 divided 7.5 divided 3.2 equals 2. So you will get 0.9683. So in your calculator, you will write shift sine 0.9683 equals to, and that will be 75.54. So the ABD, I know this ABD angle is 75.54, but he said that the ABD is obtuse angle. So I know this acute angle of the ABD. If the ABD is obtuse, you have to manually find out its value. Obtuse angle from its, this number will be 180 minus 75.54. And that will give you 104.46. 104.46 is the angle ABD, because he has told us that the angle ABD is obtuse. Okay. So that's it, my dear students. We have found the angle ABD. That was the last part of this exercise. Today we have solved exercise, exercise. Today in this session, we have solved exercise 8B from D3 New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. I was working on DMath 4024, that's the syllabus. And we were working with the 10 Cambridge class. So it was a pleasure teaching you all mathematics. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the like buttons. Also, if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to share its link on your YouTube, on your Facebook, onto your Instagrams. That will be a very big appreciation for me. So thank you very much once again. Have a good day, and God bless you all.